Hey, Greg. I will see you later, Greg. Ano? Good night. I will end. Only 4 minutes, Greg. Thank you. Only 4 minutes. I will end. No problem. Take your time. See you tomorrow. See you, Greg. Yes, I'll see you. I will end. Thank you so much. Appreciated, Greg, your support. See you later, rockers. No, I'm checking what kind of moderator I'm giving you know. Ay, nako. Mag-end na tayo, guys. Thank you so much. I can say goodbye to you. See you later, Rocker. William, thank you. So, yan na, guys. I need to say goodbye to everybody. Thank you so much. She say 4 minutes, but it will take 15 minutes to say bye. Sleep well, good night. No, because I need to wake up. I need to wake up early tomorrow, 7 a.m. I'm going early because the bus timing it's not safe always. Sometimes it's I need to wait 1 hour. Sometimes it's half an hour. I don't want to be late at work. That's why I'm going there early. And then when I reach there, I'm waiting for a half an hour also. So ayan na, thank you so much for the like and subscribe and for the super chat. To all my celeb viewers, thanks a lot. Ian William, J.S. Rucker, Greg, and Blue Shy, Filipina Joyce, Jemaline, Mustafa, and George. Thank you so much for your blessing I received tonight. Thanks a lot. And yesterday, and The Silent, where are you? We miss you. Hope you are doing good and enjoying with your wife and daughter and your family. So yeah, no, thank you so much. If I didn't mention some name, it's already in my heart. And my heart forevermore. Ala, ayan, to my family in the Philippines, I miss you and my kids. Thank you so much. Love you a lot, guys. JS Rocker is not 15 minutes, ha? We'll end now. JS Rocker, thank you. Regards to Miss Asia. William, thank you. Thank you. Greg, Dave. Oh, I see, I didn't mention Dave. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye. Ay, end na tayo. Tanggalin ko na nga itong tididin. Dun, dun, dun. I will remove my tididin.